In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Hostinger subscription and request a refund. If you've decided that Hostinger isn't the right fit for your hosting needs, don't worry. I'll guide you through the steps to ensure you can cancel your subscription and apply for a refund if eligible. First, you're going to want to head over to your Hostinger account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the billing section and click on subscriptions. You'll find a list of all your active subscriptions here. Carefully locate the specific hosting plan you wish to cancel. It's essential to stay organized so you don't mistakenly cancel the wrong service. Once you've identified the correct plan, you'll need to disable the auto-renew feature. Doing this prevents Hostinger from automatically charging you once the current billing cycle ends, which is crucial, especially if you decide not to continue with their services, even if the refund isn't granted. It's a preventive measure to protect your finances in the future. Now let's move forward to the crucial part: requesting the refund. Unlike some platforms that facilitate a straightforward refund request button, Hostinger requires a manual approach. Begin by logging into your Hostinger H panel. If you're unfamiliar with the interface, don't worry. It's straightforward to navigate once you get the hang of it. Now, direct your attention to the bottom right corner of the screen where you'll find a purple chat icon. Click on this icon to open Hostinger's support chat window. When the chat window appears, you're going to select Get Help and then choose Contact Us. Here, you'll have various support options. Opt for the live chat feature so you can communicate directly with a support representative. Having real-time interaction facilitates quicker resolutions and allows you to clarify any doubts immediately. When a representative is available, you should send them a specific message to initiate your refund request. The message should be concise yet comprehensive. Here's a recommended template. Hello, I'd like to cancel my hosting subscription and request a full refund. This is my first payment, and I am still within the 30-day money-back guarantee. There is no refund button in my panel. Please assist. Make sure to personalize it if necessary, but keep all the essential information intact to speed up the process. This message clearly states your request and emphasizes that you are within the eligible refund period, which is crucial. Remember to keep a record of the chat exchange for future reference. Conversations with support can sometimes result in multiple follow-ups, so maintaining a record can be handy. All that's left now is to wait for their response and instructions on how they will proceed with your refund. Bear in mind that patience is key, as response times can vary depending on support availability. And that's it! You've successfully navigated the process to cancel your Hostinger subscription and requested a refund. Hopefully, this step-by-step guide makes the process smoother for you. If you found this instructive, be sure to check out our other guides for more helpful tips and solutions.